वेलकम इन दिस क्लास इंसानिस प्रोबायोलॉजी। जैसा कि आपको पता है कि ये चैनल जो है टिफर के क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस पीआईक्यू को डिस्कस कर रहा है। तो सेम जब से टिफर एग्ज़ाम हुआ उसके बाद मैंने जो सन 2023 के पेपर्स हैं उसके क्वेश्चंस को पिकअप किया है, जिसमें से जनरल साइंस मैंने डिस्कस कर लिया है। ये मैं फिज़िक्स डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, तो उसका आज यह नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, जिसमें 5 क्वेश्चन को हम डिस्कस करेंगे और 5 क्वेश्चन में पहला क्वेश्चन हम देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज जस्ट for the fixed law of diffusion। देखिए, that is the hot topic for the TIFR because every time this law is asked by different exam for knowing about the concept of physics which is applied in the diffusion, because you study about that कि if there is the container and that is the compartment, here this type of the molecule is there and another side that is means the concentration of that both molecule make a gradient of concentration gradient, and along the concentration gradient the movement of the particles occur, and if the movement of the particles occur with a concentration gradient या along the concentration gradient, then the process is called a diffusion। तो इसी के ऊपर फिक ने एक लॉ बनाया था, जिस लॉ पे हमेशा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। इन्होंने बताया था कि अगर that is a J is the diffusion flux equal to minus D del psi upon del x, that is a first law of diffusion। This is the first law of diffusion constant। Here says that the movement of solute from the higher concentration to the lower concentration across the concentration gradient is that here J is diffusion plus D is diffusivity, that psi is concentration and that x is the position of the particle। That is the first law। And the second law says that change in the concentration means change in concentration, that with respect to time dt equal to d diffusibility del square psi upon del x square, means कि this is a second law of fixed second law। मतलब the first law says that कि the diffusion flux is a negative of diffusibility and concentration in time। मतलब they give the relation between diffusion flux, concentration, position and diffusivity। Second law says that a change in the concentration with time, कितना टाइम बीतने पर कितना कंसंट्रेशन मॉलिक्यूल का चेंज हुआ, ये सेकेंड लॉ दिखाता है। लेकिन द वन थिंग इज दैट कि अगर डिफ्यूजन कोफिशिएंट सेम है, क्या मैंने कहा कि अगर डिफ्यूजन कोफिशिएंट सेम है, मतलब अगर ये दोनों सेम है तो डिफ्यूजन सेम प्रोसेस होता है, तो डिफ्यूजन में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है। तो लेकिन व्हाट इज द डिफ्यूजन कोफिशिएंट? तो दिस इज द रेशियो ऑफ फ्लक्स डेंसिटी, दिस इज द रेशियो ऑफ फ्लक्स डेंसिटी to the negative of concentration gradient in direction of diffusion। तो इसका जो है आपका क्या पूछा था, I have two identical glass beaker X and Y full of the water. I introduce the concentrated drop of ink into each beaker. I stir beaker Y until the ink concentration is uniform. What can you say about the diffusion motion of the ink molecule? तो first is say that molecule that diffuse with the same diffusion coefficient in both X and Y. Okay, here is the same diffusion coefficient, that is the given answer for by the TIFR कि same diffusion coefficient से ये जाएगा। That is not, we do not say that here which diffuse first and also not, this is not the condition कि okay that is, मतलब that question is totally based on the fixed law of diffusion। अगर आपको ये यहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आया तो then you watch the another physics video that explain that very well। If do not get any the good video or that, then you comment on the comment box, I will provide you a best explanation, because yeah, I'm not of this background, due to this reason I also feel some trouble to solve that type of the question like that, like the second question I will not able to solve that, because this reason I will not touch that। The correct answer for this question is 24.25 meter per second, but I do not know how to solve that। Okay, if you able to solve, then comment me and send me the picture on my mail ID, and just I consider them and I solve that problem with that with the help of your solution। I only give a answer because there is the physics and the chemistry, some question I am not able to solve them. I do not want to waste your time, and I do not give information which I do not have। That this is the Paul-Spin matrix। This is the Pauli matrix। Okay, you will remember something for that। Okay, there is this sigma 1, sigma x 0 1 1 0, the eigenvalue of for that eigenvalue, that is, remember that x positive is 1 upon root 2, 1 and the eigenvalue x negative equal to 1 upon root 2, 1 into, मतलब 1 not into, I will suggest you कि just you remember that things, because that is the small part, and really that is help in during the solution of the questions like that, because in the biology and biotechnology they not ask a complicated mathematics if you remember something that you will able to solve। So 1 and minus 1, there is a plus, sigma 2 equal to sigma y equal to 0, imaginary and 0। For that, the eigenvalue y plus equal to 1 upon root 2, 1 and I, and y minus equal to 1 upon root 2, 1 minus I, sigma z sigma 3 equal to sigma z 1 0 0 minus 1, For that, the eigenvalue z plus equal to 1 upon root 2 1 upon and not a 1 upon for the for the z is 1 and 0 and y sigma z minus equal to 0 1. There is these matrix has an eigenvalue 1 minus, there is 1 minus 1 t means 1 minus 1. So that is a x negative. The correct answer for this question is 1 sigma x. Okay, just you remember that things, and that is the correct answer for this question. I just consider that I do not know physics, and I am also not good in physics, so I give a answer and a explanation which I thought maybe this is helpful for you. That is a question I solved very well. That a bacteria is heavily swimming in the isotonic medium. First of all, you know that what is the isotonic medium. The isotonic medium, the meaning of iso is the same, and the tonic means osmotic pressure. So there is the same osmotic pressure, means if that is a condition, here a cell is there, that is the cell, and that is the surrounding, and we say that there are the isotonic solution, means the surrounding apply the pressure is just balanced by the pressure which is exerted by a cytoplasm. There is the cytoplasm, and there is a medium. If the pressure of cytoplasm equal to the pressure of medium, then the condition is called, that medium is called isotonic solution. Okay. Then the question says that we add a NaCl. इसके अंदर हमने, that is we increase the NaCl, means we increase a NaCl, means solute increases. Solute increases. Okay. To 100 ml, 100 millimolar, I think NaCl is increased, means thus the medium is converted into the isotonic to hypertonic. Hypertonic. Medium is converted into the hypertonic. Okay. The hypertonic means the concentration of the solute is increased in the medium, and the concentration of a solute is decreased in the cells. Then the water is come from the cell to the medium for the balance, because every system is want to in equilibrium. Then the cells is that, then water is come from inside to outside. Water, मतलब solvent is come from inside to outside to maintain the, to achieve the equilibrium. That is the condition, मतलब water inside to outside. and the more number of the solute is there, due to this reason the osmotic pressure exerted in word conditions. So osmotic pressure point in word condition, but water flow outside. That is the correct answer. I will explain by giving a concept, but if you do not able to understand, then you just drop a comment on the comment box. I do not understand. Then I try to explain very well in the next short videos. If you want, if you do not want, then I do not want. I do not make a new video for that things because your response is not too good. I try to make an interesting video, but I don't know why your response is not good, because there are only 425 subscribers is there. I don't know why, because provide a video very well, because I use my whole capacity to solve the questions and try to give a concept, but I try to give a concept. Then there is the last question for this video. Elon Musk goes cycling on the moon, and which has no air resistance. He finds the hill which has a nice smooth slope on one side and a cliff on the other. If he jump off the cliff, his speed is greater than when he ride to the most bottom of the slope, even through the starting point, and therefore potential energy is same. His cycle has no friction. What is the explanation? The explanation is the wheel of the bicycle acquire the kinetic energy when it ride down the cliff. But yes, I do not give any concept because my concept is not clear for that point. The potential energy and the kinetic energy concept is not. But I know that if you want to find out the correct explanation, then you go with the 12th physics, and that is the energy conservation law. There is the kinetic energy and potential energy have the sum of the kinetic energy and sum of the potential energy is always equal to the. You go with that concept. If you try to know how that question is solved. But I try. I always say that in my previous video, for the biology student, don't worry. You do not know physics, then another person also do not good enough physics, and they are in the TIFR only 30 to 35 number. If you get, then you are shortlisted for the PhD interview. So don't worry. You try to solve the answer questions like a diffusion process and something else, that there is the isotonic and hypertonic conditions. That is also the diffusion. So yeah, you clear concept related to the concept which is overlap with the biology. But do not go with the deep physics if you do not interested in physics. If you do not have any interest in physics, then do not go deep in the physics. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I say that please subscribe this channel to get more information. Bye bye. Thank you.